In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up a Google Analytics 4 account. Begin by going to Google Analytics at analytics.google.com. Make sure you are signed in to the Google account you want to use for analytics. Once you are in Analytics, go to the admin area and start the account creation flow. First, in the account name field, type the name you want to use for this analytics account. This is usually your business name or organization name, and it helps you recognize the account later if you manage more than one. Next, click into the options shown in the setup screen and confirm the selections that apply to you. These settings control the types of sharing and configuration preferences for your account. Take a moment to review them carefully, then continue. Now click Next to move on. On the next screen, you will choose your industry category. Click the industry drop-down, then select Arts and Entertainment. Choosing the closest match helps Google tailor some reports and benchmarks to your type of business. So pick the category that best represents what you do. After that, move to the Business Size section. Click the option that matches your organization. In this walkthrough, select the size labeled 4. Then you will see several business objectives or use case options. Click through the available selections to match what you plan to measure. These options help set up recommended reports and features. Make sure each selection reflects your goals. Then continue to the next part of the setup. Next, choose the next size option as shown, and select the size labeled 5. Once that is selected, click Create to finalize the account setup. At this point, Google will show the terms and required agreements. Click the highlighted area to review the settings on the page. Then click the next highlighted area to proceed. When you are ready, click I accept to confirm and finish creating the account. After the account is created, you may be prompted to set up additional services or steps. For now, click Skip for now so you can get into the dashboard quickly. Finally, click Continue to Home. This takes you to the main Google Analytics 4 home screen, where you can begin configuring data collection and exploring reports. And that is all there is to it.